This is Mick Elliott from Electronics Specifier at Embedded World. I'm with Francesco Vaiani, he's the product manager at SECO. Francesco, a number of new products you've introduced. Would you like to talk us through them?
Yeah, of course. Here at Embedded World 2024, we are very proud to introduce our new lines of system of modules. I'd like to start from the COM HPC, the performance line of a system of module. We introduced the Meteor Lake 1. It features the newest product announced by Intel just a couple of days ago. It has the more performance one, so higher power consumption, but if our clients needs something little with little power consumption, we have ICOM Express with the H line of Meteor Lake Intel processors. Otherwise, for even less power consumption, we have the new line of Atom processor made by Intel 2, the Armstrong Lake 1, successor of Alder Lake N line of processor. After that, if you want even less power consumption, we can move to smart modules. They have even smaller form factor, and there we have announced a couple new products using ARM processors, one from Qualcomm and one from MediaTek. They are quite more AI oriented because they have a dedicated and powerful NPU inside. The Qualcomm and we have an NXP IMX95 too. Sorry, I didn't remember. Okay. And all of them have an NPU inside, quite powerful. The NXP one is an EIQ dedicated one. The other two have other kinds of AI accelerator. And we'd like to introduce them how we integrate these kind of smart modules with our new lines of modular vision line of product. They are modular HMIs with a smart module, a carrier board, and a touchscreen attached. So here we are proposing the 15 inches, 10 inches, and 7 inches wide monitor. But inside here we are proposing an Elkhart Lake, IMX 810 Plus, and IMX 93 processors. But you can swap with anything you like. For a minimum order quantity, we can do custom ones. Yeah, we plan to have 23 inches late in the next year.
Just talk us through the applications.
The application we are focusing on market for this kind of products. We mainly are focused on vending machines, but for the either dimension, we would like to use them propose them for digital signage. For entertainment purposes too, and the smaller ones we think are more focused, even though in industrial application and medical applications. Yeah, the last product we are going to announce, we are announcing here at Embedded World, is a boxed solution. It is the Balio 500. It is our bigger unit, more powerful unit. Is a fanless boxed solution that can expand using PCI Express. Here we are proposing a demo that we are showing shortly that use the PCI Express connection in partnership with a product made by another company, Accelera, for dedicated AI acceleration, and we can display his powerful performances with the little. Very little consumption. Yeah.
I mean, it seems to me, if your customer wants more compute power, you can offer that. If they're a bit more concerned about power efficiency, you can cover that off as well.
Yeah, exactly. We mainly our customers are mainly in the industrial part, so they are more interested in the low power consumption. Now, with the raising of AI demand, there are coming a lot of requests that needs more compute power. So that's why we paired our proposition with dedicated NPU and low consumption on the side and more powerful processor and compute power on the other.
Okay, Francesco Vaiani, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you. This is Mick Elliott. We are still on the SECO stand at Embedded World. We've just seen the products, and I now have Matteo da Balio from SECO. He's going to talk us through some of the demos of those products.
Hi, thank you. Welcome in this beautiful area here. It's an IoT and AI area where basically we collected all the demo that we produced to basically showcasing our end-to-end technological solutions from edge to the cloud. Well, basically what we were showing with these demos is like based on the different market, we can embed products like HMIs, like that we have in our industrial welding machine that we produced with our Orbitalum company that we're working with. And then also the vending machine here that embeds single board computers and our payment system. And that basically what we do is to embed the edge products and then use our CLIA, the IoT software suite that basically collects the data from the edge, or orchestrates this data and shows the data in a customized UI interface. Well, basically CLIA allows you to build your own IoT infrastructure, and it's a modular stack and it's divided in different open source components, like a starter to get the data from the edge, from the field. Then you have, as you can see over there, EdgeHog, a device manager, and then a portal to create the IoT front end. Well, basically also we have artificial intelligence capabilities, like another demo over there that uses our fanless rugged embedded computer, Balio, that has a 13th generation Intel core, and it has inside also an accelerator from the Accelera's company, accelerator, Metis AI PU, that basically analyzes the data coming from 4 different full HD streams, analyzes it, and then showing in the over there, as you can see from the demo. Then, of course, we also have other demos related to the artificial intelligence. For instance, Studio X, which is a customizable, easy-to-use platform to creating your own AI-powered support services. You can use like different applications, such as like a chatbot or an AI assistant or like a live translation. And plus, we have other demos that we produced in collaboration with our partners, like System Electronics, that also integrates another accelerator product, an M.2 Metis AI PU, or another demo that we produced in collaboration with Random Power that the guys will show you shortly.
Okay. Just on the data that's collected, where does the customer access it? Is it on the cloud or?
It is on the cloud, but the data are gathered from the edge, analyzed on the edge, and then retrieved, orchestrated, and then showed, as I said before, on custom user UI, let's say.
And just to be clear, all the products that enable these demos, they're now available from SECO?
Absolutely, yes, available from SECO, but I mean, our system, it's also device agnostic, so it can also work in non-SECO edge products, but of course, the demo that you see here, of course, embeds our products.
Okay. Matteo da Balio, he's the head of product marketing at SECO. Thank you very much.
Thank you as well.